Presenting the 2017 Jeep Cherokee. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include black, monotone paint application, premium leather-faced bucket seats, quick order package 27LL Plus package, Rhino, Safety Tech Group, Technology Group, Trailer Tow Group and wheels, 17 feet x 7.5 feet black aluminum. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.